Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off iPhone camera sound. If you are using any iPhone or if it's an issue that whenever you try to click a photo using your iPhone camera, you get an irritating shutter sound. So let's see how can you fix that or how can you turn it off. So the very first way or the basic way is that you have to enable your silent mode. Now to do that, you will get a little button here. You must have to keep a long press on it. As you can see, this is ring mode. You must have to go to silent mode. Once you get the silent mode, you will not get any shutter sound in your silent mode here. Or the second way is you have to take a live photo. Just tap on these three lines here and select the live photo option. So in live photo mode, you will not get any shutter sound. So in this way, you can mute your camera sound. But there's the best way to do that in this to make an automation. Now to do that, you have to simply open your shortcuts app in your iPhone here, and here go to automation here, then tap on the automation, and here you must have to scroll down and look for app, select that, and very first you have to select when app is open, select run immediately, and then tap on choose. Here you have to choose camera app, then tap on done, then tap on next. And from here you must have to tap on the search option and then select volume. Or if you can't find the option here, just go back and here tap on create a shortcut option. And here you must have to tap on search and search for the actions that volume here. Once you get search, just tap on that. And here just tap on this volume option. Now you must have to minimize your volume. You can always easily set up to 0% and tap on done option. Once I've done, now our automation has been created. Here you can see that when our camera will be open, your volume will be automatically minimized or will be muted. Or you must have to create a second automation to maximize the volume after closing your camera app. So tap on this plus option here and look for app option again. Select is closed. This time you must have select is closed. Select run immediately. Then select choose. Choose your camera app. Tap on done. Then tap on the next option here. Select create new option the shortcut again. Look for set volume again. And you just have to select the volume which you want to after closing your camera app. So in my case, I'm going to select 50% here. Just tap on done option. And here you have done. Now, whenever you will open your camera app, your volume will be minimized. And after closing, your volume will be set it or will be automatically adjusted in which way you have set it. So I have set it 50%. So after opening my camera app, my volume has been muted. There is no any shutter sound without this live option. So just close the live option from here. Now try to take photos. And once your camera app is closed, you'll see that your volume will be automatically set. So in this way, you can easily turn off your camera sound on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.